Microsoft project or Primavera P6? Which software to use to plan your project? My name is Guilherme and I'm a project management expert there. I help professionals to become successful project managers. I get a question quite often asking which one is the best software to use for a project, and very often you see people asking Microsoft project or Primavera P6. I'm going to tell you that the most important thing is not the software that you use, but is to have the right project management knowledge. Let me tell you a story that happened with me in the early stages of my career. I was recently hired to be a planner and control engineer in engineering, procurement, construction types of projects. And there was a senior project manager there for another project that I was not even working directly on that one, that was struggling and was in escalation process with high management involved, with customer involved, discussing the plan that he created for the project there. The problem is the software is pointing out a critical path for the project that does not make any type of sense. And that's what's the feedback that we were getting from the customer. And while the management also start to ask questions, the project management department manager there, the senior project manager was us just saying, that's the critical path that I get from the tool. In this case, the tool was a MS project. Well, what happened is the department manager, he asked me to take a look because, okay, I was a junior, but the department manager, he trusted me, at least to review the work that was there. While reviewing the Microsoft project, I found out that the connections that they were there, they did not make sense, meaning the predecessors and the successors there, or the logical chain of tasks, they did not make sense. Then, of course, the software was pointing out a critical path that did not make sense. But instead of reviewing the software, the senior project manager, the senior planner there was just pointing out that's the feedback I get from the software. This proves exactly my point here, that the software, it will be as good as you can make that. So it's much more important for you to have good understanding on planning, have good planning skills, than focusing on only developing software, only learning software there. So if you want to learn how to plan a project in a proper way, how to execute and control the project in a proper way, I have an invite for you. I have a masterclass, a Planner Pro Masterclass. It's free, that I'm going to teach you the foundations to create a good plan into a project. So the only thing you need to do is click in the link there and watch it. It's free, and if you have questions, you feel free to comment in the video here or send me a direct message on my Instagram. I'm very happy to answer and to support you in this journey. Hope I'm going to see you there. Otherwise, see you soon. Bye.